STREBITO screwdriver sets 142-piece electronics precision screwdriver with 120 bits magnetic repair toolkit for iPhone, MacBook, computer, laptop, PC, tablet, PS4, Xbox, Nintendo, game console. Wide application. This precision screwdriver set has 120 bits, complete with every driver bit you'll need to tackle any repair or DIY project. In addition, this repair kit has 22 practical accessories, such as magnetizer, magnetic mat, ESD tweezers, suction cup, spudger, cleaning brush, etc. Whether you're a professional or an amateur, this toolkit has what you need to repair all cell phone, computer, laptops, SSD, iPad, game consoles, tablets, glasses, HVAC, sewing machine, etc. Humanized design. This electronic screwdriver set has been professionally designed to maximize your repair capabilities. The screwdriver features a particle grip and rubberized, ergonomic handle with swivel top, provides a comfort grip and smoothly spinning. Magnetic bit holder transmits magnetism through the screwdriver bit, helping you handle tiny screws. And flexible extension shaft is useful for removing screw in tight spots. Magnetic design. This professional tool set has 2 magnetic tools, help to save your energy and time. The 5.7-3.3-inch magnetic project mat can keep all tiny screws and parts organized, prevent from losing and messing up, make your repair work more efficient. Magnetizer demagnetizer tool helps strengthen the magnetism of the screwdriver tips to grab screws, or weaken it to avoid damage to your sensitive electronics. Organized portable. All screwdriver bits are stored in rubber bit holder, which marked with type and size for fast recognizing. And the repair tools are held in a tear-resistant and shock-proof Oxford bag, offering a hole protection and organized storage. No more worry about losing anything. The tool bag with nylon strap is light and handy, easy to carry out, or placed in the home, office, car, drawer and other places. Quality first. The precision bits are made of 60 HRC chromium vanadium steel, which is resist abrasion, oxidation and corrosion, sturdy and durable, ensure long time use. Electronics repair toolkit. 120 bits and 22 repair tools. 120 precision bits, Phillips, flathead, Torx, tamper-resistant Torx, Pentalobe, Pozidriv, tri-wing, hex, Gamebit, etc. 22 repair tools, suction cup with SIM card eject pin, angled tweezers, magnetizer, magnetic project mat, spudger, plastic pry tool, brush, microfiber cloths, etc. Everything you need for any repair or DIY work, in one portable bag. iPhones and Android smartphones. Computers. Laptops and MacBook. Tablets and iPads. Game consoles. Watch and smartwatch. Home appliances. And more. Strive to be great. STREBITO is Esperanto for strive, which epitomizes our attitude and ambition, make a better world with our products. We are a rising global manufacturer dedicated to making the finest hand tools, providing quality products and striving to create the best experience from purchasing through to using. High-quality bits. These 4mm bits are made by CNC machined, which is more precision. And the material is CRV steel, sturdy and durable, which can ensure long-time use. Ergonomic design. Ergonomic design super smooth swivel cap allows you to apply constant pressure while turning. Rubber particles and PP plus TPR streamline handle provide you with a non-slip and comfortable grip. Strong magnetic. Magnetic bit holder transmits magnetism through the screwdriver bit, helping you handle screws in tiny parts, prevent from losing or dropping. Flexible bit extension. The extension shaft is flexible, bendable, rotatable at many different angles, help you to screw and unscrew in small space. Practical tools to maximize your repair capabilities. 22 repair tools. Every tool in this repair kit has been specially designed and selected by our technicians to tackle any job, such as opening, cleaning, assembling, building and repairing. Upgrade your home toolkit.